I will take one A4 size paper. I will fold it like this from my side. You can fold it from your side. I am folding like this. Now we will fold it like this. It will be seen like this, like a ship. Now we will open this side and our straight like this line will be ready. Then I will cut my magic line. Now you will see it will look like this when you cut, and it will like this. Now I will fold it for doll's frock like this. Now when you will fold, it will look like this, like a hat. Now we will paste it with Fevicol or tape. I will use Fevicol and paste it. When it will paste, it will look like this. I will take it here and work on its upper part. Now I will cut it half like this, but straight. I will cut it straight. Now I have cut it. I will fold it like this. Now I again take Fevicol to paste it. Now I will paste it here. Now it is looking like this, like my doll. My stripe now for neck. Now I again fold it. Then for neck, when it will complete, I will paste it. Then I will paste it here, upper side. So fold. Now I paste it here. Now my neck is also ready. Now I have made a picture of its face. Now I am making eyes and mouth. Now I have cut its face and hair. Now I will paste it here for my doll. Now I will prepare for hands. I will make a stripe of it. One stripe has cutted, and now I will roll it like this. Now I will paste it with Fevicol. I will spread Fevicol on it fully. Now I will do like this to make hands. Now I will do like this for this part. And it is fully ready, but we have to make one more hand like this and paste it. I will paste it with Fevicol because I will paste it with tape because Fevicol will be not easy and tape will be easy. Now I have pasted it and my hand is ready. I will put it my side and cut one more stripe for next hand. Now I will paste these hands from doll, and I make second hand also with same formula. Now my doll is ready, but decoration is not done. So now I will do decorate it. You can decorate it from your choice, your colors, your materials. Now I'm painting it, and this is my design of glitter, and I am using bright color to paint it, and I will not repeat any color. So I will paint. You can paint in your order. Are ready now. I have made 2 dolls. You can also make many dolls and play with them.